Welcome to Auto Expert News.
Security alert. It has indeed been brought to our notice by the Nigerian police force. If you are driving at night and eggs are thrown at your windscreen, do not stop to check the car. Do not operate the Wi-Fi and do not spray any water because eggs mixed with water become milky and block your vision up to 92.5%. And you are then forced to stop beside the road and become a victim of these criminals. This is a new technique used by gangs, so please inform your friends and relatives.
Please log onto our Facebook page at Auto Expert Pro and you can post your comments and questions there. Also, you can contact us on Twitter at Auto Expert Pro. Also, you can email us, share your thoughts with us at videoguruentertainment@yahoo.com and autoexpertpro@gmail.com. Have a fabulous day, guys, and live big, people.